get the.
I don't know if it reads that very good. Show this screen too.
Okay.
It has the see that number right there, that 600 590 number. That is, there's a rotor sitting under us right now, and it's rotating.
Okay.
And it's got little fingers on it, and that's what knocks the pods off these soybeans.
Okay.
And it rotates like this.
Okay.
The crop goes in there and it gets beat up by it.
Okay.
And the loose soybeans that it breaks loose, there's little augers that trickle them back, and it sprinkles it over a fan, and the fan will blow the pods out, and the soybeans drop down into an auger, and the auger brings it up to the grain right here.
Cool.
And that's how
That's the process, right?
that's how the process works. Yeah.
Good. Yeah, that's great. So, harvesting soybean here.